Be warned, the person seated, standing or sleeping next to you right now could be COVID-19 positive. This is the warning by health authorities as the number of positive cases of the virus within residential estates and rural villages continue to rise steadily. Over the last 24 hours, 15 more persons have tested positive for the virus, none of them with any recent history of travel outside the area of residence.
This brings to the number 296 total number of confirmed cases in the country.
According to the Ministry of Health, persons who are testing positive right now from villages and residential estates in the city, meaning that the virus has permeated deep into our communities.
In the early days, we cautioned you on surfaces that are likely to be contaminated in the aid of the transmission of this virus. Among such surfaces include groceries in supermarkets. We would like to acknowledge efforts made by many outlet stores by providing sanitizers to shoppers and ensuring that no shopper is allowed into a shop without wearing a face mask. However, we are concerned that it is important that cashiers handle the goods correctly, especially during payment at the counters. These are also areas that can be easily contaminated and that can lead to infections.
Out of the 15 cases, 11 are Kenyan, while 4 are foreign nationals who contracted the disease from shopping centers, markets, and public service transportation. The latest patients are aged between 19 and 75 years, with the ministry noting that young people are the worst affected in Kenya.
Some of our young people are deliberately breaking curfew regulations due to the false belief that they cannot catch this disease. And we would like to remind you young people, including myself, that we are actually able and susceptible to get this disease.
6 people were picked from quarantine centers across the country, while 9 had been picked by surveillance teams conducting contact tracing. Mombasa County has so far recorded a steady increase in the number of people who are testing positive, raising concerns of failure to adhere to directive on social distancing. Surveillance teams are currently monitoring 730 persons who are believed to have come in contact with the 15 people who tested positive Tuesday. Already 14,417 people have so far been tested within Kenya. Dennis Matara, K24, Evening Edition.